In this video, I'm going to show you how to paper piece when the angle is a little weird. Okay, the sharpness of this angle, if I were to lay a rectangle piece down and sew it and then it folds out, it's going to go this way and possibly cut off this quarter. And so one solution is to just cut really big pieces of fabric. Sometimes that's quite a waste. So I'm going to show you this technique. So want to paper piece this area number 2, and it's got an odd angle. So I'm going to place the fabric on it so that all of area 2 is covered and it's right side away. Now just bear with me because this will make sense. Then I'm going to fold that seam line and it's going to crease it on this side. Then I'm going to reverse that fold like that, and if I'm really careful, I open it up and I've got the perfect placement for that fabric so that it will open and cover that piece. It's also a great way you could fussy cut with paper piecing, or you can even use plaids because you're going to lay that fabric on the grain or, the way you want the fabric to be finished. Then you're going to fold out the seam. This is a great way to save fabric so you don't have to cut quite as big of a piece, and to make sure you cover all of that area when the angle is weird.